Hi, everybody. I'm here today with Mike Mina from Augusta Financial, one of the best lending companies in Santa Clarita. I wanted to talk to him a little bit today to maybe help you guys out with some questions about mortgages. And one I really wanted to talk to him about that's very popular right now is the FHA loan. There's a lot of people doing FHA loans, so I kind of want to get the facts straight for you. So, Mike, what is an FHA loan?
FHA is Federal Housing Administration. They have a loan that's basically government. They insure the loan, or they give the mortgage insurance on the loan. So people can get in with 3.5% down on an FHA loan. You can have low credit scores in that 550 range if you want, but it's a little tougher to get under 600 than it would be if you're above 600 on a credit score. Loan amounts go up to $679,650 in Los Angeles County. There's some other programs that work with FHA too, where you can get down payment assistance if you're under a certain income, typically about $128,000 in LA County. And the rates are really good. The negatives to FHA, there's a couple of negatives.
So real quick, you're saying if somebody made under $128,000, they could get down payment assistance?
They can get down payment assistance, even go no money down if they're a first-time buyer.
Wow.
So,
okay.
Yeah, so it's really cool. The FHA, the negatives to FHA, where we compare those to like a conventional loan, FHA looks at a buyer and they say, okay, you have a 620 credit score. We don't really hit you. We don't give you a penalty for having a lower credit score. But they also have one standard PMI fee that they charge whether you have a 620 credit score or a 740 credit score. So they don't give you any advantages there. And then their PMI is on there for the life of the loan. So you would have to refinance out of that loan or sell your property to get rid of the mortgage insurance.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
That's really good to know, because that's a little new tidbit for me I wasn't aware of. So what is, if it's a standard PMI?
Standard PMI, so the rate with 3.5% down is 0.85%. So if you got a $100,000 loan, it's $850 a year, like $71 a month or whatever that is. Now, if you went ahead and with FHA, also the one other thing, and you know this too, I know, is condominiums. If they're an attached condo, there's probably 18 condos that are approved for FHA financing in the Santa Clarita Valley. So they're very difficult to do. So a lot of people will go with a conventional loan if they're looking at a condo as a first-time buyer.
Okay. So on a FHA loan, can the sellers pay the buyer's closing costs?
Absolutely, yes. The seller can always pay the buyer's closing costs.
Is there any fees the seller couldn't pay for a buyer?
No. I mean, basically, they can pay all of the fees. They can't pay the down payment, though.
Right.
The client must come in with a 3.5% down.
Down payment, unless they get some type of down payment assistance.
Correct.
Okay.
So, yeah, that's it.
Perfect. Well, I appreciate your time. And if you guys have any other questions, don't hesitate to give me a call. My number is 661-510-5370. And Mike?
Oh, I'm 661-260-2970. And Wendy, remember, Wendy Gundry. See, Wendy?
W.
Or Mike. I almost seem like I'm a gangster, aren't
That's
I?
right.
Wow, I didn't even know. Let me turn my
That's scary.
hat sideways.
Okay. Have a great day.
Thanks.